Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Easypaisa account must be Scenic verified and the app updated. Open Easypaisa and sign in with your PIN or password so the app recognizes your session. Once done, navigate to the Profile or Settings tab where Security options live. You do this now because the app links biometric setup to an active, authenticated account. This prevents unauthorized enrollment. Make sure your phone's fingerprint sensor is clean and that you've already enrolled at least one fingerprint in system settings before proceeding. You now enable fingerprint login inside Easypaisa's security settings. Tap Security, choose Fingerprint Login, and authenticate using your existing PIN or password. This step links the biometric template to your account. Next, the app will prompt you to touch the sensor multiple times. Follow its rhythm and lift when asked so the system captures edges and center of the finger. Once the confirmation screen appears, you'll test by locking and unlocking the app. This ensures the app stored the template correctly and will accept your fingerprint for future logins. Finish by signing out and immediately using the fingerprint option to sign back in. This verifies the end-to-end setup. If the sensor fails, first re-enroll that finger in your phone settings and remove smudges or a screen protector that interferes. Once done, repeat the app setup flow so Easypaisa registers the refreshed template. If problems persist, such as repeated authentication errors or temporary account locks, contact Easypaisa support for guided reset and to ensure no security flags are blocking biometric enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.